Did you know that watermelon is made up of over 90% water? It's packed with unique nutrients that make it an ideal choice for recovery after workouts. Today, we're diving into the world of watermelon as a natural post-workout snack. It's gaining popularity among fitness enthusiasts for good reason. After a tough workout, many of us deal with muscle soreness and dehydration. It's a common issue, and finding effective recovery snacks can be a real struggle for athletes. Let's explore the nutritional benefits of watermelon. This refreshing fruit is packed with hydration properties, vitamins, and minerals that aid in muscle recovery and reduce soreness. It's like nature's sports drink, but tastier. A key study highlights watermelon's effectiveness as a post-workout snack. Experts agree that it's not just delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for recovery. This makes it a perfect choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine. To sum it up, watermelon is an ideal post-workout snack. It helps with recovery, keeps you hydrated, and provides essential nutrients. So next time you finish a workout, reach for some watermelon to refuel and refresh. We'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment with your favorite post-workout snacks. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more health and fitness tips. Stay healthy and happy.